Today we'll be making a peach and strawberry mousse entremet. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. First, we'll start with our chocolate cake base. To a large bowl, add 3 1/4 cups flour, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, ½ teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoon baking powder. Then mix it all together and we'll set it aside while we work on our wet ingredients. To a bowl, add in 1 egg, a 1/3 cup sugar, and 2 tablespoon oil. Then mix until smooth and dissolved. Then we'll add in 100 ml of milk, mix again, and then we'll add in our dry ingredients bit by bit, about 1/3 at a time. Once the dry ingredients are combined, we can add in 100 ml of hot water. Mix again and our batter will be quite runny. Pour into an 8-inch pan lined with parchment paper. Bake the cake at 350 for 35 minutes. Then remove from the pan and let it cool completely. Now we'll work on our strawberry jelly, which will need to be made in advance. To a bowl, add gelatin and cold water. Set this aside and we'll let it bloom. Now to a bowl, add in strawberries and sugar. Stir and let it cook. Let the strawberries simmer for about 5 minutes. Once soft, we'll transfer it over to a blender and blend until smooth. So now our gelatin is quite hard, so microwave it for about 10 seconds and we'll add it into our strawberry puree. Give it a quick stir to combine. Line an 8-inch pan with plastic wrap and then slowly pour in your mixture. For additional texture, I've also added chopped strawberries inside my jelly. Then let this freeze for at least 4 hours. In the meantime, we'll work on our strawberry mousse. The process will be quite similar to our strawberry jelly, so add in gelatin and water and let it bloom for about 5 to 10 minutes. In a pot, add in strawberries and sugar and we'll again let this cook for 5 minutes. Just like last time, we'll blend our strawberries and add our microwave bloomed gelatin to the puree and give it a quick mix. Now for our mousse, we'll head over to our stand mixer and add in heavy cream and whip until stiff peaks form. Then we can add in our strawberry mixture bit by bit to incorporate. Once done, we'll transfer it over again to an 8-inch pan lined with plastic wrap. Pour the mousse and we'll let this freeze for about 4 hours. Now onto our peach mousse. Again, to bloom our gelatin, add cold water and we'll let this rest for 5 minutes. Today I'm using canned peaches, so we won't need to cook it. So to a blender, add your peaches and your sugar and blend until smooth. We'll reheat our gelatin and add it to our peach puree and mix. Just like our strawberry mousse, we'll whip up some heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Then we'll add in our peach mixture. Once fully incorporated, we can now start assembling our cake. We'll start with our chocolate cake base, so remove the top so that the cake is flat. Then move our 8-inch chocolate cake into a 9-inch springform cake pan. Now we'll add in our peach mousse and fill in those gaps. Cover the chocolate cake with a layer, and then we'll add in our strawberry jelly. In the center, place our strawberry jelly, and then we'll follow with our strawberry mousse. Stacked on top of each other, we'll now add in the remaining of our peach mousse in between the gaps and on the top as well. Try to smoothen as much as possible. Now place the cake into your freezer overnight so that all the layers can set. On the day you're ready to serve, we'll prepare our mirror glaze. To a bowl, bloom your gelatin with cold water and set aside. While we're waiting, in a pot, add in water, sugar, and mix to dissolve. Next, we'll add in condensed milk and stir again. Once combined, we'll turn off the heat and add in our bloomed gelatin. To a large bowl of white chocolate chips, we'll add in our just made mixture. Mix until our chocolate chips have melted. For the glaze, add in gel food coloring. Today I'm using orange and a little bit of yellow, but you can choose any color you like. To remove any clumps of undissolved chocolates, strain your mirror glaze. We'll let our glaze cool to room temperature, so in the meantime, we'll remove our cake from our springform pan. The temperature of the glaze should be about 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Then pour your mirror glaze on top of your frozen cake. Once the glaze has set, we can top with additional strawberries. And there you have it, a peach and strawberry mousse entremet cake. Enjoy!